In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out on Cash App. So the most typical situation is that someone has paid you here on Cash App and you want to move this money over to your bank account. By the way, Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks. You can even receive your paychecks and do taxes here. There's even a card where you can spend your balance and get discounts. So pretty much it can do it all. And I have tutorials for all of that stuff on my channel if you want to check it out. So up here at the top of the screen, you're going to see my cash balance is currently $222. What we want to do is move this over to my bank account. First thing you need to do is go to your profile in the top right corner. Then you can click linked banks. This will allow you to have banks and credit cards linked. And you want to make sure you have a bank account linked so you can cash out your money to it. So let's go back. Close this. Now at the top of the screen, you're going to see cash balance, and right under that are two big buttons, add cash and cash out. So we want to tap the cash out button, and from here you can select how much money you want to cash out. I'm just going to do $50 for this example. If you want to type in a specific amount, you can always tap on the money there and then type in the exact amount that you want. But I'm going to keep it on 50, tap cash out, and I can do this instantly. I can get the money instantly in my bank account for an 88-cent fee, or I can just do the standard, which usually takes 2 to 3 days. So I'm just going to tap on standard Tuesday. It's going to scan my face. And there we go, that $50 will be available in my bank by Tuesday. Tap done and we're good to go. You can see that $50 has been removed from my cash balance and it's on the way to my bank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.